Let me guess. You are exhausted and mentally stretched, and you are quietly wondering how the money is supposed to last till next Friday. You have tried those mom's hustle ideas before. The surveys that pays penny. The apps that made more noise than cash. You have even considered starting a business, but you can't imagine adding one more thing to your overflowing plate. But what if I told you there is a way to build a real business with your phone without keeping inventories, without being on Zoom all day, and without choosing between your babies or your bank accounts? It's called drop servicing. I'm going to show you how this business method changed my life and how it's going to change yours. Welcome to Plushgrace. My name is Favor, and this space is for soft, strong women who wants to work with wisdom, walk by faith, and create income that honors their calling. I teach moms how to make money from home without burnout, guilt, or overdrive. Let's dive in. Let's keep it real. Most side hustles don't work for moms. You don't have 6 hours a day to learn a new skill. You don't want to sell leggings or go live every night. You are just trying to make money and be present for your kids. I've been there. I was working in healthcare as a sonographer, rushing from shift to daycare pickup, trying to build something online at midnight with zero energy left. Then God whispered to me, there is a better way. One which your peace don't have to die for your paycheck. Let me break it down. It's called drop servicing. You sell a service you don't have to do yourself. You are the middlewoman, not the worker. Here's an example. A client needs a resume. You charge $180. You hire a resume writer and pay them $50. You review it, deliver it to the client, and keep the profit of $130. You didn't write it. You didn't stress over it. You just managed the process. No product to ship. No video editing, no technical setup required. You are using your brain, not your burnout. Now, let me show you why drop servicing works, especially for mom. Number one, you control the hours. You can respond to clients during nap time, before school drop-off, or after bedtime. Number two, you don't need to be the expert. You are not the writer. You are the businesswoman. You communicate, you coordinate, and you collect the payment. Number three, it's very scalable. Once you learn the flow, you can have multiple clients at once without working more hours. You can start with $0. There is no upfront cost for inventories. You only pay your freelancers after the client pays you. This isn't another hustle. It is a peace-aligned business, and it's built for moms who wants to thrive and not just survive. Here are my 3 favorite services for beginner drop servicer, especially for moms. Number one is resume writing. Everyone needs a job. You can charge between $100 to $350. I teach my students how to outsource this with ease. Number two is business plan writing. It's great for entrepreneurs, grant applicants, or startups. Charge $300 to $600. Again, you don't write it, you manage it. Number three is grant writing. Nonprofits and small businesses are always looking for help here. Charge between $500 to $1,500 per grant. Find a skilled freelancer, plug them in, and get paid. These are high-value services, perfect for women who want high impact with low stress. Let's pause here and speak to your faith. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but what if I mess up? Here's what the word says in Proverbs 31 verse 16. She considered a field and buys it. Out of her earnings, she plants a vineyard. Sis, that woman is you. She thought it through. She acted with wisdom, and she planted something for the long term. Drop servicing might be your field. And with God, you are planting your vineyard right in your living room. You are closer than you think. Here is what you need to begin. A phone or a laptop, internet connection, ways to find clients. I'll teach you that. I teach that to my students on our one-on-one coaching. A vetted freelancer. I'll give you the list. My Plushgrace income path system, coaching and templates. This is the part where most women say, but what if I fail? And I say, What if you don't? What if you finally breathe again because your bills are paid? Because your babies are smiling right in your arms? Mama, if this speaks to your soul, it's not by accident. God is calling you to build differently, not through burnout, not through hustle, but through alignment. If you're ready to learn drop servicing step by step, DM me or click the link in my description to apply for my coaching program. You will learn everything you need. No fluffs, no overwhelm, just clear steps, templates, and strategies. Subscribe to this channel for weekly encouragement, tutorials, and faith-based business encouragement. And remember, you don't have to trade your peace for paycheck. You just need a path that fits your life and a God that lights the way. This is Plushgrace, and I'm Favor. Let's build soft and powerful businesses with faith and not fear. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.